As part of more productivity improvements, we have introduced or removed the limitation of maximum 4 wheels on a wheel pack. Now, you can have any number of wheels on a wheel pack. So, for example, here I have got a wheel pack with 5 wheels, which I can easily do a corner radius tool, a type of corner radius tool. And we also have done nested cup wheels. So when you add a cup wheel, it shows as a proper cup wheel nested inside a cup wheel. So if you are doing an eccentric OD with a 11M2 chamfered cup wheel, you can use this so that the pivot is there, this doesn't foul, and this can be used for corner and end phase operations as well. So the ability to use 5 wheel packs in a wheel or 5 or more wheel packs in a wheel has been introduced now into our software. So customers can use this in majority of the operations.